Have you ever wondered about the endless possibilities of online retail? Imagine a world where you can curate a unique online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping. Well, that world is here, and it's called Modalyst. But what exactly can you sell with Modalyst? Let's dive in and explore the vast universe of products at your fingertips. The power of print on demand. One of the most popular product categories on Modalyst is print on demand. This innovative business model allows you to customize a wide range of products with your designs, from t-shirts and hoodies to phone cases and mugs. Whether you're a budding artist, a passionate designer, or simply looking to express your creativity, print on demand offers a fantastic opportunity to turn your ideas into tangible products. Home decor and lifestyle. If you're looking to create a cozy and inviting online store, Modalyst has you covered. Explore a diverse selection of home decor and lifestyle products, including furniture. From stylish sofas and chairs to elegant tables and shelves, Modalyst offers a variety of options to suit different tastes and budgets. Kitchenware. Equip your customers' kitchens with essential tools and gadgets, such as cookware, cutlery, and small appliances. Home accessories. Add a touch of personality to any space with decorative items like wall art, rugs, and throw pillows. Personal care. Pamper your customers with a range of beauty and wellness products, including skincare, hair care, and bath and body essentials. Fashion and accessories. Stay on top of the latest trends with Modalyst's extensive collection of fashion and accessories. Clothing. Dress your customers from head to toe with a variety of apparel options, including tops, bottoms, dresses, and outerwear. Footwear. Offer stylish and comfortable footwear, such as sneakers, boots, and sandals. Accessories. Complete their outfits with a selection of accessories, including jewelry, hats, and scarves. Watches. Elevate their style with a range of watches, from classic timepieces to trendy designs. Electronics and gadgets. Keep up with the latest technology trends by selling electronics and gadgets on Modalyst. Smartphones and tablets. Offer a variety of devices from leading brands, computers and laptops. Provide your customers with reliable computing solutions. Gaming accessories. Cater to gamers with controllers, headsets, and gaming keyboards. Wearable technology. Explore the latest wearable devices, such as smartwatches and fitness trackers. Unique and niche products. In addition to the popular categories mentioned above, Modalyst also offers a wide range of unique and niche products to cater to specific interests and demographics. Some examples include eco-friendly products. Appeal to environmentally conscious customers with sustainable options like bamboo products and organic clothing. Pet supplies. Pamper furry friends with a variety of pet products, including food, toys, and accessories. Novelty items. Add a touch of fun to your store with quirky and unusual products. Seasonal items. Stay ahead of the curve by offering products that are relevant to different seasons and holidays. Tips for curating your product selection. When choosing products to sell on Modalyst, consider the following tips. Know your target audience. Identify the specific needs and preferences of your customers. Research popular trends. Stay up to date with the latest trends in your chosen niche. Consider product quality. Ensure that the products you select meet high-quality standards. Pay attention to pricing. Offer competitive prices to attract customers. Diversify your product offerings. Create a well-rounded product selection to cater to different tastes and budgets. With Modalyst, the possibilities are endless. From fashion and accessories to home decor and electronics, you can curate a unique online store that caters to your target audience. By carefully selecting products and leveraging the power of print on demand, you can build a successful and profitable online business. Ready to start your online retail journey? Sign up for Modalyst today and explore the vast universe of products at your fingertips. With Modalyst, you can turn your passion into a profitable business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.